Greetings, ACPA. My name is Nicole Whitner, and I use she, her pronouns. Currently, I serve as the Assembly Coordinator for state and regional chapters. What that means is my role is in direct service and support to the chapter leaders who are providing both leadership and professional development opportunities to our members on the local level. I'm also a voice for these leaders on the Assembly and the Governing Board. As a past president of the California chapter of ACPA, when I stepped into the role, I was excited to bring my experiences and my perspective to this position in direct support of the chapter leaders. If you've ever been in the position of leading one of our local chapters, you're uniquely aware and thus uniquely qualified for this role. So if you're interested, I hope you will consider running or nominating an eligible colleague for this position. If you have any questions about the process or the role, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.